day, everyone. This is Mars with Atanda. Wishing you Happy New Year and many more of this year. Thank you for your support throughout the year 2025. For me to actually reach up to this level, I actually appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much. Then we go to 2026 with new achievements, goals, and targets. Thank you very much. Today, my problem with what I actually brought up today this year is that no waste of time, no stress. We need to actually know how to multiply any number by 11. So by coming that, we have a number here. We have different numbers, but how are we going to actually multiply any number by 11 without stress? We start stressing ourselves or our brains to know how to actually multiply a number by 11. So let's try to see the method or the tricks on how to multiply any number by 11. So now, by doing that, the first thing to do is that when a number is given to you and you are asked to multiply it by 11, add 0 to that number. That's the first thing to do. Add 0 to that number. When you add 0 to what? We are asked to multiply 12 by 11, right? So now, the number given to us is 12, right? So we now add 0 to it. By adding 0 to it, we have 1, 2, 0, right? Then the initial number given to us, which is 12, then we now add it to the number we are having, which is what? Plus 12, right? Do it this way. Then by adding all this together, we were having 0 plus 2, which is what? 2, right? Then 2 plus 1, which is what? 3. Then what? 1 plus 0, which is what? Which is 1. So what are we having right now is what? 1, 3, 2. Which is what? 1, 3, 2. Can you see that it's simple? Believe me, it's simple. My brother, is simple. And it is easy. So now, the next one we're having 640, right? 64, right? 64. That is 64 by 11. So since we're asked to multiply 64 by 11, what do we do is that the first thing we add the 0 to it, right? That's by multiplying it by 10. You can put it in that way. You can multiply that number by 10, then add the initial number. Do you understand? So that's how we are going to do it. By doing that, now we are having, when we multiply 10 to this 64, it will now be what? 640, right? Then we have 640. Then we add in the initial number, which is 64, right? By adding 64, we'll now be having 64 plus 64, right? By adding that, we have 0 plus 4, which is 4, right? Then 4 plus what? Plus 6 is 10. You write 0, you take 1. Then 6 plus the 1 we take, which is 7, which is 7. Now we have 70 what? 70704, which is the multiplication. Then by 20,